Hey, have you ever roasted a whole chicken on top of bread? Well, you get this that you can put tomato jam and burrata cheese on top of. We're gonna start with some bread, and I like sesame bread. And I'm gonna cut this on a bias, just because it's gonna fill my pan better. Then you're gonna take a whole chicken and lay it on top of your bread. A drizzle of olive oil. I'm gonna use this hand to rub the olive oil, and then this hand for salt, pepper, and this is a mixture of onion powder, garlic powder, dried parsley, and dried oregano. Now we're gonna go into a 425-degree oven for about 45 to 50 minutes, or until the internal temperature of our chicken breasts hits about 150 to 155 degrees Fahrenheit. While that's in the oven, we're gonna thin slice one shallot, and if you watch my video on slicing onions, the same goes true for shallots. Into a separate pan, crush 4 to 6 garlic cloves, and we want this other pan to also be able to go into the oven. About 1.5 pounds of cherry tomatoes, a couple tablespoons of olive oil, and about 1/4 cup of balsamic vinegar. And optionally, you can put things like red pepper flake in here, but we're gonna wait till the end to season this because these tomatoes are gonna burst and reduce in the oven, and if we salt this now, it can be over-salted by the time it's done. Into our same oven with our chicken, we're gonna check this after about 30 minutes. About 15 minutes in, I went in with a fork and just helped these along by giving them a pop, but if your pan seems dry at all, you can always add a little splash of water. Then I'm gonna tear some basil in here, some fresh parsley. Then place your chicken somewhere to rest for at least 10 or 15 minutes, and you can tent it with some foil if you like, but we're gonna put our bread back in the same oven for about 5 to 10 minutes or until it just dries out a little bit. Then top your chicken bread with some of your tomato jam, and this is burrata cheese. It's like mozzarella stuffed with creamy ricotta. A little drizzle of olive oil if you like, some coarse sea salt, and follow me because this bread makes awesome croutons for chicken Caesar salad.